All caps design. Today's profile, I have Charles, CTB Associates. He's a CPA. You want your taxes done and you want them done right. This is the man to see. What's up, brother?
Thank you for that introduction. I appreciate you. Just to give you a little bit about myself, my name is Charles Barimah. I'm a CPA. I'm the founder of CTB Associates. I've been operating now for the last 14 years in Queens, but I'm not contained to Queens, which is the beauty of taxes. I've been pretty much established myself in every state. I have what I can say hundreds of clients all over, and I love it. I love what I do. It's more building a foundation, helping people. So it just goes a little beyond the scope of taxes.
Hey, but what's your specialty?
I want to say my specialty is really just connecting with folks, understanding their plight, their problems, and then really focusing from a strategic standpoint. So a lot of people think of taxes as just putting numbers in, but it's a little bit more than that. Once you find out what the goals are and what I would say, let's just say, strategy you could put in place based on that person's circumstance, then you want to go ahead and just help them out to the best of your ability. So just being strategic. And I think another strong point is customer service. I think we don't have enough of that in the community, and especially given the workload, it's really tough to get people on the phone. So I try to prize myself in being able to be reachable and just be able to give advice.
So what's the difference, say, between what you do and maybe like a company like those people who around this time of year toward tax time have the people dressed like Statue of Liberty flipping the signs? Like, what separates you from those type of companies?
Got you. Good question. So, okay, being a CPA, you're basically considered the head honcho. It's the equivalent of being a doctor as opposed to being a nurse or a CNA, right? Mm-hmm. So being a CPA gives me the ability to audit financial statements. With that said, that comes at a price in terms of experience and education. So that's the first thing. Most tax preparers, they usually take a course. It could be a couple of weeks, and they pretty much get a certificate and can go ahead and start practicing. I also want to say that, just years in the industry is key, right? So you're getting me up, got 14 plus years experience. I've also, I work with a community of other accountants as well. So we have those relationships that are in place. I can also tell you that what differentiates me is that, most folks are involved, whereas I'm committed. And that's the difference. I work late hours, I'm always on, and I think that's the key. I don't close shop April 15th. It stays open pretty much 365 days, 52 weeks a year. So it's just the commitment piece.
Gotcha. So, well, just to say, you've been handling my corporation and personal tax for years. I definitely want to thank you for that. You've been doing your thing.
Right.
I've always been happy with the service. I suggest you guys do as well. We'll connect information. Is there any social media or email or something someone can contact you with, a phone number?
Yeah, my phone number is 347-743-5464. You can give me a call at any point. Text, WhatsApp, it's all the same.
Gotcha. So once again, this has been Profiles. Now, I also want to say, this brother, before I started this interview, he's kind of acting like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. I didn't even have to ask any questions.
Right.
I just had to ask 2 questions to get him going, and he went.
Yeah. I'm on. This is a challenging job. You spend a lot of time spending on the phone, up, and, I'm committed to it. So I'm a little bit wired now. I'm on some coffee, so things just seem to come to me a little bit faster than normal. But I appreciate this opportunity and this forum you put me on. So
thank you, man.
Appreciate that.
Check us out next time.
All right.
Peace.
Thank you. Take care.
Shut! Let's get off, y'all.